Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see P2 Pure Max Edexcel IAL Chapter 2 Coordinate Geometry Exercise 2E question number 8. Very interesting question. Okay, look at the question. The line with the equation 2x plus y minus 5. 2x plus with y minus 5 is a tangent. What is tangent? 2x plus y minus 5. To a circle x minus 3 whole squared plus y minus p whole squared is equal to 5. Circle equation x minus 3 whole squared plus y minus p whole squared is equal to 5. Find the values of p. There are two possible values of p. Find the values of p. That is section A. Section B is find the center. Find the two possible centers. Okay. Let us do this question. Okay. Circle center is 3, p. Okay. Radius is root 5. Okay. 2x plus y minus 5. Tangent means circle. Okay. Center 3, p. Tangent, suppose this is a tangent means circle touches at one place. Okay, at one place means what is the condition? B squared minus 4AC is equal to 0. If it is cutting at two places, B squared minus 4AC is greater than 0. If it doesn't cut any line, B squared minus 4AC less than 0. This is b squared minus 4ac greater than 0. Okay. Now we have to focus, it's a tangent. Tangent means tangent is circle touching at the circle at one place. So b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay. What is the circle equation they gave? X minus 3 whole squared plus y minus p whole square is equal to 5. What is the tangent they gave? 2x plus y minus 5. 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now you see x, y, p, three coordinates are there. How to solve it? We cannot solve because we have only two equations. But we can make it as a quadratic equation. Then what we have to do? Instead of y, what is the value of the y? Y is equal to 5 minus 2x. Okay, this minus 5 if it goes right hand side it is 5. 2x if it goes it is minus 2x. So y is 5 minus 2x. Okay, x minus 3 whole squared plus y minus p whole square. Instead of y, we are going to put 5 minus 2x. Then what will happen? X minus 3 whole square plus 5 minus 2x minus p whole square is equal to 5. Okay. So now we have x and p coordinates only. Okay, let us solve one by one. X minus 3, y is equal to 5 minus 2x. Instead of y, I put 5 minus 2x. Okay, x minus 3 whole squared, how to do it? A minus b whole squared is a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Or you may expand like this. X minus 3 times x minus 3, you expand it. If you are very good in formula, you do it. A squared plus b squared minus 6x. Okay. 5 minus 2x minus p. Formula is a. There are three. On a plus b plus c whole squared is a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2CA. Okay. If you are expanding, the same will come. If you don't know the formula, you just multiply 5 minus 2x minus p times 5 minus 2x minus p. Okay. Now a squared. A squared is 25. B squared. B is minus 2x. 4x squared. C is minus p. C squared is p squared. Okay. Plus 2ab. 2 times a is 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 2x minus 20x. 2 plus 2bc. 2 times minus 2x minus 4x. Minus 4x times minus p plus 4px. Minus minus will be plus. Okay, plus 2ca. 2 times minus p is minus 2p. Minus 2p times 5 is minus 10p. Minus 10p minus 5 is equal to 0. This minus 5 is this one. Okay. Now you see it. Simplify it. X squared plus 4x squared. So what will happen? 5x squared. Okay. Combined like terms. We studied in grade 9. This one. Then minus 20x plus 4px minus 6x. Okay, so what will be there? Minus 20 minus 6 minus 26x plus 4px plus 4p minus 26x. 4px minus 26x. Okay, then look at the constant. Constant is p squared minus 10p. Okay, then the numbers 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 plus 25, 29 is equal to 0. Copy down until now. Okay, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus p whole square equal to 5. Instead of y, we put 5 minus 2x. So x minus 3 whole square, 5 minus 2x minus p whole square equal to 5. I just expand. If you know the formula, you use it. A plus b plus c whole square is a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. 5x squared plus 4p minus 26x plus b squared minus 10p plus 29. This is nothing but, better I will use another ink. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Compare this one. What is the condition? B squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. A is 5. B is 4p minus 26. C is p squared minus 10p plus 29. Okay, is equal to 0. Copy down until now. Okay, what is b squared? 4p minus 26 whole square. B squared minus 4ac is equal to 0 if it is tangent. Okay, what is b? 4p minus 26 whole square minus 4. A is 5. C is p squared minus 10p plus 29. is equal to 0. Okay. 4p minus 26 x power a squared plus b squared minus 2ab 16p squared plus 676 minus 104 minus 208p. Okay. Then minus 4a minus 20p squared minus 20 times minus 10p plus 200p minus 20 times 29 minus 580 is equal to 0. Okay. Now combine like terms. 16p squared minus 20p squared. What will be? Minus 4p squared. Minus 208p plus 200p minus 8p. 676 minus 580 plus 96 is equal to 0. Divide by minus 4. P squared plus 2p minus 24 is equal to 0. Copy down until okay. P squared plus 2p minus 24 equal to 0. It will be p plus 6 p minus 4 is equal to 0. P is equal to 4 comma minus 6. Just I factorized. P squared plus 6p minus 4p minus 24. Look at that. Okay. P is equal to 4 minus 6. Okay. Okay. Now we found two possible values. P is equal to 4 comma minus 6. We got the values. P is equal to 4 comma minus 6. Okay. So option A we finished. Find the values of P. P is equal to 4 comma minus 6. Okay. Then find the centers. If P is 4, 3 comma 4. If P is minus 6, 3 comma minus 6. This is the option B. Find the centers. Okay. Got it? Option C. Okay. Just copy down. Now I am going to ask you, what is the tangent? At which point of the circle this tangent touches the circle? At which point the tangent touches the circle? This is an extra question. Okay, how you will do in this case? I will give the hint. You please do it and reply in what is called comment box. You have to find, now center is 3 comma P, P is 4 comma minus 6. There are two possible values. At one you put 4, at another instance you put minus 6. This is 2x plus y minus 5. 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. There will be two places will be there. If you put p is equal to 4, one point we will get it. If it is equal to p is equal to minus 6, another point you will get it. Please put it in the comment box. I want to see it, whether how the students are doing. Okay, I will give the hint. This tangent and this one will be 90 degree. So find this point. This point only we need to find out. What is this point? What is the x coordinate? X coordinate is x. What is the y coordinate? Y coordinate is 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, means y equal to 5 minus 2x. 5 minus 2x. This is the coordinate. Here what is the coordinate? 3 comma p. Here what is the coordinate? X comma 5 minus 2x. Okay. 2 points were given. You can find the gradient. What is this gradient? You find out. From this you can find the gradient. From this line you can find the gradient of this radius also. Then apply it, find the x value, then find the y value. If you put p is equal to 4, you will get 1 point. If you put p is equal to minus 6, you will get another point where the tangent touches the circle. Okay? Good luck. I am waiting for your answers.